MCQ number 1 question. Which process directly increases genetic variation during sexual reproduction? Options: A. Mitosis, B. DN, a replication, C. Binary fission, D. Crossing over during meiosis. Correct option: D. Crossing over during meiosis. MCQ number 2 question. What is the main function of ribosomal RNA, rRNA? Options: A. Transfer amino acids to ribosome. B. Carry genetic code from DNA. C. Store genetic information. D. Catalyze peptide bond formation. Correct option: D. Catalyze peptide bond formation. MCQ number 3 question. Enzyme specificity is mainly due to options: A. Protein nature of enzymes, B. Optimum temperature, C. Unique three-dimensional structure of active site, D. Reusability of enzymes. Correct option: C. Unique three-dimensional structure of active site. MCQ number 4 question. DNA replication occurs during which phase of the cell cycle? Options: A. G1 phase, B. G2 phase, C. M phase, D. S phase. Correct option: D. S phase. MCQ number 5 question. Which hormone lowers blood glucose level by increasing cellular uptake of glucose? Options: A. Glucagon, B. Adrenaline, C. Thyroxine, D. Insulin. Correct option: D. Insulin. MCQ number 6 question. Which structure of the heart prevents backflow of blood? Options: A. Septum, B. Papillary muscles, C. Chordae tendineae, D. Valves. Correct option: D. Valves. MCQ number 7 question. Transpiration pull in plants mainly depends upon options: A. Root pressure, B. Capillary action, C. Osmosis, D. Cohesion and tension of water molecules. Correct option: D. Cohesion and tension of water molecules. MCQ number 8 question. The final electron acceptor in aerobic respiration is options: A. Carbon dioxide, B. NAD plus C. Pyruvate, D. Oxygen. Correct option: D. Oxygen. MCQ number 9 question. One gene controlling more than one phenotypic trait is known as options: A. Codominance, B. Incomplete dominance, C. Polygenic inheritance, D. Pleiotropy. Correct option: D. Pleiotropy. MCQ number 10 question. Which cells are responsible for antibody production in humans? Options: A. T helper cells, B. Macrophages, C. Cytotoxic T cells, D. B. Lymphocytes. Correct option: D. B. Lymphocytes.